This is a stock I didn't like much. See, on balance volume is just moving sideways all through this area. That doesn't tell me anything. If on balance volume is moving sideways, I don't know what's going on with the stock. Here we go, and we have a breakout on balance volume. Price is moving up. You could have, if you'd have been watching this stock, put a trend line on it. And if you'd wanted to buy it, you would have put it in right there. But see, there's no corresponding spike in volume that gets me excited about this stock. Your spikes in volume don't happen until the stock is moved quite a bit. So here you go. Maybe you'd be watching it right there at the $4 level. But what I want you to see is that when a stock takes off, it does it with heavy volume. And if you don't have that heavy volume, why bother trading it? Now, here we have a high level pattern. Smile, smile, double smiles in volume. On balance volume is moving sideways. It's not really exciting. Then you have your peak right here and your buy point around 21.26. And probably you only would have made 50 cents on that trade if you would have traded it. And it has just popped out again in this area here around 34 on heavy volume. Would you want to buy this one here? Maybe. This is an interesting consolidation period.